Hello YouTube, so today I'm going to be telling you how to be a slime man. So first we're going to start with the face. So what you want to do with the face is go find a face that you like. What I want to do is shiny teeth or friendly smile. I'll use friendly smile. And I'm going to go to shirts. And you want to get the Kids' Choice Awards t-shirt. So go to that and go to pants and wherever you want for pants, gear. You want to get skateboard, the slime skateboard, for accessories. For accessories, you want to go here. You want to get a slime crown, and you can get any hair you want with the slime crown. Like, I'm gonna put beautiful hair for beautiful people. So, beautiful hair for beautiful people. And or brown hair, or John's hair, something, anything that's hair that you like. I'm just gonna put John's hair, or shiny. I'm putting John's hair. And pants, I'm gonna go to pants, and you can wear any pants you want. I'm gonna wear these pants. These pants I made, and there you go. If you want, you can add the Roblox 20. Last one I'm gonna add. I don't have them in packaged. No. Yep, don't have them packaged. Roblox. And Roblox. And there you go. You have a nice slime man, but it's not great, so yeah, not really. But it does look nice. If you have the event and you did the event, there you go. You're cool as a man. If you play on Xbox, you have this. You can use that if you don't have Robux, and you can use some other pens. And you can get this, you get that, and you get that. But you don't get that friendly smile. But still, you look nice. And boom. So see you guys next video. Hope you enjoyed, and you like what I made here. Like the video. See you guys next video. Bye.